Good morning. I am here at Andree Bird Refuge in Santa Barbara. It's handicapped accessible. You see the paved trail, walk or sidewalk, and it goes all along from the beach to the refuge. There's a small parking area over here right off the freeway, and I believe that's where GPS will take you. I suggest if you come here to actually park down at the beach, which is in this direction, and then you just immediately cross the street and start walking on the trail to get up here. Reason being is there's more parking available, and at this other location over here, strange people can hang out there and it's often full. So in my experience, it's actually better to park by the beach and walk up here. And actually on this side, you get a better view of the water. Although there are some areas you'll have to walk all the way around to see that are by the marsh. I'm not doing that today, but I might miss some birds that are tucked away on the other side. It's a very birdy place. It is noisy because you have the freeway on one side and this road with people speeding by. But if you're a birder, it's well worth coming down here. You will find lots of birds. This very territorial song sparrow isn't happy with me being here. Check them out. So we're gonna get a little closer. You can see they're already singing, getting ready for breeding bird season. I'm actually doing a bird survey for breeding bird season here. And what am I talking about? I'm talking about the first California atlas ever to map all the breeding birds that are found in the whole state by mainly volunteers. You can volunteer. Just download eBird and start submitting your observations to eBird. This bird is actually letting me get very close. It's just talking away. So song sparrows are actually very curious sparrows. I notice that they're the ones that will normally check you out if you make little pissing noises, pish, pish, pish noises. They will come out and check you out. So they are often very curious about people. Song here. So it's all about you, Mr. Song Sparrow. Along the water here, there are common yellow-throats year-round. I just saw a red-breasted merganser, my first of the year, female, and a hooded merganser, female, first of the year. I would zoom in on them, but they're pretty far out, so I'm actually just using my iPhone for making this video. It wouldn't come out too well. So you want to know more about the breeding bird atlas? Just look it up on the internet. Do a search for California breeding bird atlas. You can find information. It's exciting. If you like birds, it's a good year to get out and learn about the birds of California. I even wonder if this song sparrow may have started breeding early, because he actually seems kind of agitated by my presence, which is a sign of breeding. I mean, he's hanging out right here, kind of agitated with my presence. So I'm going to back off. I need to zoom out here. There's a common yellowthroat who's also gotten agitated, but he's been agitated because the song sparrow is agitated. He's further this way. And there's a California towhee who is just doing some foraging on the ground. Okay, Andree Bird Refuge. Just along the 101 freeway as you're leaving downtown Santa Barbara. Very accessible if you're traveling north or south through Santa Barbara to stop and check out some birds. And a great place to bird overall. Spend some time. And if you get off the freeway, you can also just go all the way around and park down at the beach and check out the beach too. There's free parking down there, which is great. And you also have the San Diego Zoo that you could visit. I actually haven't been yet, but that's right in front. That's what I'm looking at as I walk. Oh, we got a hummingbird. Perched on the paradise. They love the paradise flowers. And off on a chase. So, a good tip to find the hummingbirds, although they're pretty much everywhere, is they love paradise flowers. So if you want to get some photos that are pretty, hang out by the paradise flowers if you hear hummingbird sounds, and you may be lucky for them to come down and get a good picture. All right, this is it for this video. I will put a link in the comments for more information. Oh, and one final thing, there are resting spots along, not too many. On the other side there's more. Final view.